Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text boxes in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to align text boxes in this document. We insert some text boxes. Go to the insert menu, then click text box option and insert a simple text box. Then move this text box some left and again go to the insert menu and click text box. Then draw a text box and write anything in this text box. Then we can see here we insert two text box. Then we select this two text box, press shift on your keyboard and select it. Then we can see here we select text boxes. Then we go to the format menu and click align option. Then align left or align center or align right or more than align like top, middle or bottom. You can change the text box color. Click the text box and go to the format menu. Then apply another effect like shape style or more than style like shape effect, reflection, shadow, glow, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.